Hey, how's it going guys? My name is Daniel, aka HashLips, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you Edenlans, the metaverse right here behind me. I guess the biggest question is, how did Edenlans even start? Well, a while ago I made a video asking the world who wants to participate in helping me build a metaverse. Back then we didn't know what the name's going to be, and nor did I know who was going to join. And soon I found that hundreds of individuals wanted to participate. A select few came on board and started being the core team. The biggest thing that sets Edenlans apart from all the other metaverses is the fact that this was made purely by a team that came together for the love of coding. In the beginning it was quite tough to start, and you have to understand it's because the team didn't know each other. We sat all spread across the globe, different language barriers, as well as on top of that people had day jobs. So it was a very fine orchestra to find out the perfect times for meetings and also get-togethers to discuss the project at hand. As with any project, there's usually a plan. Well, our only plan was to build the best open source ecosystem for a metaverse to exist, and that was it. We had various people with various skills, and this is where we started. We realized to help the process along, we had to split everyone in their different skill sets. So we had front-end, back-end, UX UI designer, Scrum Master, as well as 3D modelers and a DJ for music. Now that we had these roles and people assigned to these roles, we knew which group of individuals could take on a particular task. We had a wonderful team that could do the work, but we didn't have a solid plan yet. And the reason is because I wanted this to be a team effort. And thinking of some solutions, that was a process in itself. The only requirement that I set out was that everything needs to be open source, even the underlying technologies that we make use of. The reason is because open source technology gives society the power to innovate faster. And that is what Edenlans is all about. Thank goodness that this team, the core team that's building Edenlans, is willing to share their knowledge and time with everyone else out there in the world. And that is why this team and this project is so powerful. With open source technologies in mind, the team set out to build something amazing. We slowly but surely chipped away for the past 2 months to get to the point where we are now. In the meantime, we built smart contracts that was going to act as the spaces for our metaverse contracts on the blockchain, bridge servers, builders to build 3D environments, as well as a metaverse. We also built out a beautiful landing page and a studio for people to manage their spaces. And on top of it all, Edenlans stays decentral, meaning that Edenlans will not depend on any databases but purely a syncing server. This is wonderful for if anyone wants to spin up the same ecosystem and rely on the blockchain as the source of truth. Edenlans is still in its beginning stages, but what that means is there's a lot of room for improvement, innovation, and who knows, maybe we get to set the standard for a metaverse protocol in this space. I am making this video today to share with you a simple message, and that message is that you should never underestimate the power that people have when they come together to innovate out of passion. That is extremely powerful and will almost always lead to success. At the end of the day, it all starts from a simple idea.